It defaults to the wrong mic. Thank you for telling me. This is a PHP framework that I'm deploying. And I was just going to sit here in silence until somebody told me. I appreciate it, man. This is not for work. This is for me. This is for funsies. All right, insert, save. And now we got to restart again. All right. Let's see the magic, huh? It's beautiful. The requested URL was not found on the server. Well, it stinks. Let's see. What did I do wrong? I think I have some stuff missing from here. Server name www.basedphp.com. Do I have to actually type in www because of that? I guess that's not it. All right, I gotta get this working. And I did restart, and it is there. And it changed from being a directory to telling me that it doesn't exist. So it must be case sensitive in the document root. It must be. Which is annoying. But it is what it is. Wow. All right. Well, let me replace it with a configuration that I know works in a way. And we'll see if that works. Yeah, so we'll nano one of the other ones. Yep, this one. Yes. Server alias is something that I'm missing. Wait, I copied only part of that. Is this EC2? Yes, this is EC2. Why am I not copying? This is super annoying to try to copy from this terminal. I'm this close to installing Putty and setting up my keys. Okay, it's just an indentation thing. Oh. Oh. There we go. And it's the wrong website. And let's see, we got document root, which I have quotes here. That is not correct. Linux is very literal. Let's see, var www. Finspec.com. Based PHP. I am going to go ahead and capitalize this. I am not sure if it's case sensitive or not. What is this? There we go. Yes, this is EC2. Okay. Oh, yeah, PHP needs to be capital. PHP. And what else? I don't see anything else. There's server admin. It doesn't look like it's doing much, but whatever. Does work. What is this? I never know what those emotes mean. Like I see like a girl who looks like, oh, it just says hi. Oh, okay. Hi. Hello. It's very hard to read that. I think it's meant to like mess streamers up, honestly. Like they're designed to. Okay. We're going to go back to base PHP. Get rid of all this nonsense. Well, I know what that one means. That's an easy one to know. All right, save it. And yeah, let's pray. Oh God, what has happened? Oh, we have a typo. Okay, great. Yep. Yep. Let's go. Now we're good. But not there. So let me point the document root to somewhere else. And see if that, because I think I am in the right configuration file. Let's see, get rid of that, get rid of that. Make this smaller, it doesn't need to overtake my whole screen. And let's go ahead back in here. And I know that I have var www.findthespec.com. Yes. Okay. Restart. And now the same thing. Same thing. Let me just remove my htaccess file. No, that can't be it. Let's see. I'm gonna seek help for this. See if I can get it. Let's see. With this configuration, actually, let me change it back to what it should be. Wait a minute. Was it like that already? Hold on. Ah, man, I hate this. It looked like it was. Never mind. I'm not gonna rant about this terminal because I'm using it right now. So the document root is var www based php like that. Save and just on a whim. Okay. All right. So let me copy this. Ask good old ChatGPT. With this vhost config and that htaccess, oh god, htaccess in the root directory. I am seeing with, okay, so with this vhost config, oops, I didn't copy it. All right, I'll just copy it from here. It's the same thing. This vhost config and this htaccess and that htaccess. I am seeing this error. And let's see what ChatGPT says about it. It's suggesting that I change my .htaccess file. Okay, I'll try that. Okay, VS Code. It's funny how it reads it as Ruby, and it looks like Ruby. Interesting. I don't know a damn thing about Ruby. All right, let's update that. And almost want to get another second terminal open, but oh well. It's good practice in typing. www ls, and then I'll make sure, yes, I do have that right. cd based php git pull. Yeah, that didn't work. Based PHP is over? No. It's only just getting started. Yeah, it's not working. Okay, so I'll go in with my other plan, which was to just simply remove the .htaccess file and see what happens. So in here, we'll go rm.htaccess. And we don't get anything. In fact, that looks cached. Still nothing. Requested URLs not found on this server. That's not it. Hold on. You know what I'm actually going to try? I'm actually going to try just encrypting. So, if you've ever used Let's Encrypt, it actually has the ability to change your vhost file for you. And let's see if it can just do it and fix it for me, because I don't have time for this crap. So let's see, get started. Blah, 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 blah. Let's see, what is it? SSL Let's Encrypt bot. Certbot. That's what it is. So Certbot. So that's it. My HTTP website is running Apache on. Trying to figure out which one it is. I think the closest thing is, I don't know. I'll just go Ubuntu 20. Hopefully that works. Yes, I do. Install snapd. Installing snapd. Most Ubuntu flavors without snap. Let's see. Snaps are app packages for desktop, cloud, and IoT that are easy to install. Okay, that's nice. Thank you. That's where I just was. All right, well, I'll assume that it's pre-installed. So I'll run sudo apt. I'll try sudo snap install. I've done this before, so I believe it is installed. Certbot is already installed. Perfect. But I need to do sudo apt. I'm already sudo, so apt get upgrade. Update. Yeah, update. Not upgrade. So the update is updating all of your Apache stuff. Upgrade is actually going to the next version, I believe. I've only ever had to do it in Debian. It's not Apache. It's the Linux distro, which is Amazon Linux. Let's see. I don't think I care about that. Okay, so now we have to move on to the next step of the certbot, which is I guess it's just this. Paste. The file exists. So we have to remove the certbot first, I suppose. Or possibly I'll just remove that entire directory. Or maybe I can just continue. File already exists. Okay. Sudo certbot apache. And it should give me, yeah. Oh, it's the number 1. It says it worked. It did work. Okay. It says it's already up to date. And yet there's no .htaccess. Okay. Oh wait, if I wanted to see .htaccess, I would have to do ls-a. And yeah, it doesn't exist. It has a swp, which is, that's kind of alarming to me. But I wonder why it thinks that it's currently up to date. That's weird. Anyway. Maybe it can't read .htaccess. Yeah, that's fine. Paste. Yes. Okay. And now, there we go. Although, as you can see, it's not serving up .css files. So let's try to see what's going on. There's no, like, not founds in there, but let's see. Oh, that's why. Let's see. Well, hold on. No, that's correct. That is correct, actually. All right, so what is the issue? Let's see. htaccess, PHP include not working. All right, let's go back to ChatGPT. Wait, hold on. Let's see. I thought I had saved another conversation, but I guess it didn't do it. So with this, where is it? Well, it's here. And yeah, that's the one. It's kind of alarming stuff. With this config, with this .htaccess, PHP includes are not working. I see. So this is one of those cross-platform things that I was talking about earlier. Let's see. And then it's not reporting errors, so I can't see it directly. So let's try to fix this by including the dir magic word. So where we have, and this is probably going to get messy, but that's fine. In all of our includes, in the entire thing, I think that we need, let's see, it starts at the header. So I will, so we just need to preface these with this, dir, like that. Okay. And I'll just do those and the one on home.php, which is being served, but it's not being served in an include. And as you can see here, I already have the dir, so I'm quite confident that that's going to fix it. All right, so up here, dir. Okay. And I'm still running here, so I need to just make sure that it hasn't broken locally. I don't think it will. Localhost, and we are at 8,000. Well, what do you know? It did break. Because it needs a slash. And I'd like to see 3 less errors. No, I don't see 3 less errors. So let's echo what this is and see why it's not returning the right thing. Let's see, PHP echo that. What is that? And just so we're not seeing too much on the screen, we'll go exit. All right, what is that exactly? C, users, AtomD documents, PHP, header.php. So we may need to switch to backslashes as well. Let's see how we did it in the index. We did not do that in the index. Let's see. It says that pages/header.php doesn't exist because it doesn't in this directory. And that's the problem. So we actually need to go, if we're in the pages directory, which the home page is, then, and we were trying to access the header, then we have to go 1 space back, I believe. Let's see, so we got home. This might be a real problem, actually. So home, where the hell is it? Pages, home. I'm not sure that's gonna work. Yeah. Let's see. If you happen to have PHP 7, you could use levels. With the second parameter defined as how many levels you want to use back. Oh, sweet. So we do have PHP 7, so we will be able to utilize this. Okay, so the dir name here, dir name file, and we only need to go up 1 directory. We don't need this anymore. And I would like to see 1 less error. It yielded the same thing. So maybe we need to pass in 2. There we go. Okay. Everything in this needs this. As you can see, we don't need that anymore. Now I would like to see even less errors, which I don't, but that's okay. Because the errors that are there are just very prominent. So here, this is no, this is not correct actually. But I don't care too much about that. I need to go into my header and all around this place and get everything fixed. So header up here. Kind of fix my everywhere I have an include. I need that, and these will also need a slash, I believe. Make it look nice. All right, what's going on? include failed to open no such stream in the directory pages.php. And where is that? Oh, so we don't actually need that here because we are in the same directory. We're free to just do this pretty reliably. Great. All right, we're back in business, but we still have some stuff to do. So everything in pages. Okay, we don't have anything in pages. That's perfect. But we have something in partials. About and contact. So all we have to do is find those. So partials and just fix them there. Okay. Now let's see if that works here. Now I can see all of my website here on Windows. Let's push it to GitHub and deploy it. Fixing the DIRs. And in one of these windows I have it. I'll get rid of most of them. Here we go. Git pull. Interesting how I only changed one file. Interesting how it's not redirecting. That's another thing that I have to fix. And there we go. Except for the footer. Forgot the footer. Also committed a couple sins here, but I'm in a hurry and I can't dance. Sweet. All right. And that should literally be it, but I'm going to something. I'm going to do something. Yep, we're still good. Surprised. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. I don't have to do that here. But yeah. Okay. And yeah. Forgot the footer. Commit. Push. All right. And git pull. Verify. And there we go. Full basedphp.com. Live. Ready for your enjoyment. Dark mode. Light mode. Dark mode, light mode. Dark mode. All right, you get it. Well, that's it. It's live. But there's still one more thing that I want to do. And that is that it needs to redirect to... It might actually do it. So I'll test that offline. And we will... I mean, this is done. So this project is over, pretty much. I do have a list of... Thank you. Yeah, it is cool. Little bit turbulent there at the beginning, but yeah, got through it. And also, look at that. It's funny how it didn't work on this button, but it worked on this button. Oh, it's because of the link. Okay, yeah, no problem. I'll fix that. So I have a list of issues in GitHub. Go back to a non-anonymous window. I have a list of issues in GitHub. Not a very long one. I'll create another one. No, I can see a test non-SSL redirect to SSL or non-HTTP redirect to HTTP. But that's not really a site level issue. I'll create it here anyway. This is the only site level issue, which I'm currently working on. Once these issues are cleared out, I think that this will be locked, and move on to something else. But for now, I'm gonna end this stream because I have to go get my kids ready, and then I gotta focus on my job. So look out, I might be back on later today to start a new project. So I hope to see you there. Thank you for everybody that joined. Thank you, Alvi. Thank you, Hamza. I hope you subscribed. I hope you're still there. All right, we'll see you next time.